Hey there, what's up guys? It is Fergal Downs here, and inside this video I'm going to show you how I make $70 or more per day using free traffic that I get from Facebook. This doesn't cost me any money at all, and inside this video I'm going to show you how you can replicate my success with this method for yourself. Let's just take a look inside one of my accounts here where I use this method. I'm inside my ClickBank account, and if I scroll down a little bit and select 30 days, so you can see how much I've made with this method over the last 30 days. And if we go over to the right hand side of my screen here, you can see it says $1,980.90 inside the last 30 days with this 100% free traffic method. Now, the good news about this method is that it will work in absolutely any niche that you choose to go into, including the internet marketing niche. But I also have a friend that uses this exact method in the roller derby niche. If you don't know what roller derby is, it's like a competition on roller skates, mostly done by women in the United States, and it's a very, very small niche. But my friend makes $10,000 per month in the roller derby niche with this exact traffic method. So it's going to work in absolutely any niche that you choose to go into. So with that said, let's get started. But before we jump inside the actual technique, my name is Fergal Downs, and I create videos on this channel, The Irish Marketer, that show you how to make money online, build an online business, get traffic to your websites, and everything else in between. So if you could take a moment to go below this video and hit the subscribe button, it would really, really help me out a lot. So the first thing that you need with this method is you're going to need a Facebook account. Now, this method works best if you have an aged Facebook account. What that means is you have an account between 6 months or a year old or even older, and you've been using that account for posting normally, posting pictures, doing Facebook Lives or whatever. Just make sure it's an aged Facebook account. If you try to do this method with a brand new Facebook account, Facebook sometimes closes the account down because you're not allowed to have two different Facebook accounts on Facebook. It's against the Facebook terms of service. So this method works best with an aged Facebook account. So once you have your account set up, what you want to do is add your, like normal, you want to add a banner here, you want to add an image here, an image down here, and you want to do some posts as normal on your Facebook account. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over to this Facebook group. It's called Affiliate Marketing and Internet Marketing with Fergal Downs. This is my own Facebook group. So we're going to click in here and you're going to join the group. Click on join the group and I'll approve you. I approve people every day. So you're going to get approved every day. You're going to get approved within 24 hours. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to do this method in the internet marketing niche. But if you were in, say, a surfing niche, what you would do is you would come over here and you would look for surfing and you would go to groups. If I just show you down here, you would type in surfing, you would click on groups. And what you would do is you would join some of the biggest surfing groups that are out there. So you would click on join here, join this one, and you would join this one as well. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you how to do this in the internet marketing niche, but the process is exactly the same. So here we are inside my Facebook group. And what you're going to do is you're going to add people from this group as friends on Facebook. Because you're all into internet marketing, people will add you as a friend, and you're able to discuss internet marketing with each other on your timeline. So the way that you do this is you come down to the posts, some of the posts that I have done on the account, on the Facebook group, and what you're going to do is click on the people who have liked the post. So if you click in here and you're going to go down to add all these people, and what you're going to do is you're going to add 20 people 5 times per day. So add 20 people, go away about your day, come back, add another 20 people, go away about your day, come back, and do that 5 times per day. Once you've gone through all the posts that have a lot of likes on them, once you've got all those people added as a friend, the next thing that you're going to want to do is come in to the members, see who the Facebook members are in the group. The group members is what I'm trying to say. And then you're going to come down here to where it says new to the group, and you're going to add all these people as friends on Facebook as well. So again, 20 people in total between this method and the likes, adding people who have liked the post, 20 people 5 times per day. And as you're doing that, what you want to do is build engagement with these people. So do this. Your aim is to get to 5,000. Now, it's going to take you a long time to get to 5,000 friends, but your aim is to get to 5,000 friends with this method. Then once you have done that, what you're going to do, while you're doing that, not once you have done that, while you're doing that, you need to build engagement with these people. Now, why are we looking to build engagement with these people? That's because when we're going to do a certain type of viral post in the future, you want these people to interact with that post. So you're going to be engaging with them so that they're going to see this post once it goes live. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and click on like, just like a few of these people. And we're just going to say, lovely family mate, and a smiley face. We're just gonna, it doesn't have to be internet marketing related, you're just gonna comment on everything and anything that people are posting. And I'll just scroll down, I'll just do one more. But what you're gonna do is every day you're going to add in total 100 people. That's 20 people 5 times per day. You're gonna add 100 friends. And what you're also gonna do is you're going to be posting on people's wall, on people's posts 10 to 20 times per day. So I'll just do one more here. What you're going to do is like this post and going to type in awesome and smiley face. So this is just an example of what this kind of stuff that you want to be posting on people's walls to build up that engagement. So again, like I said, your goal is to get to 5,000 people. It's going to take you quite a while to get to 5,000 people, but once you start getting a couple of friends accepting you, what you're going to do is you're going to be doing this engagement to build up that. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we need to find a product to promote. And what where we're going to go to find the products to promote is you're going to come over to a website called ClickBank. And once you're in ClickBank, you're going to go to Marketplace. And I have a done for you product that you're able to promote. Obviously, you can promote absolutely anything that you want. If you were in, say, like the weight loss niche, you would type in weight loss here and you would find a product here, 2020 weight loss offer here. But for the sake of this video, like I said, we're going to stick to the internet marketing niche. Now, to find my product that you can promote, we're just going to click on the back button. We're in the Marketplace here, and you're going to go to the section here that says e-business and e-marketing. And we're going to go down to the second page here. And like I said, you can promote absolutely any of these that you want. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to promote my own course. So you would create a ClickBank account here. And then what you want to do, once your ClickBank account is created, you come in, like I showed you here, to where it says Marketplace. If I just scroll up a little bit, see where it says Marketplace here. You're going to click in, like I just showed you, to the tab that says e-business and e-marketing, and you're going to go in to the second page here. You're going to be looking for this one that says free traffic system, flood your sites with free traffic, and you're going to click on promote. Okay, so here what you're going to do, you're going to put in whatever your ClickBank username is. So it can be just, we'll type in anything. We'll type in Kev12345, and you're going to click on create hot link. Now, just for the sake of this, I'm just going to type in my own ClickBank username. Now, so what it's going to do, it's going to populate your affiliate link. So for anyone that clicks on this affiliate link, you're going to get paid when they join, when they buy through this affiliate link. So let me click in here, and I'm just going to show you what happens when I open up this page. It's going to go through to the course, and when someone clicks in, the way that you can see if it's actually the payment is accredited to you, you're going to go down to here, and you'll see where it says affiliate ID equals Frugs12. So that's how you know you're going to get paid. Whatever your affiliate ID is, it will be at the bottom of the page here once you're on the checkout page. So that's how you get your affiliate link. Now, the next thing that you need to do is you need to put your affiliate link on a website. So here is a very simple landing page. It can be called a landing page or a bridge page is what some people call it. So here's a very simple one that I have created for promoting this course. It says, newbie friendly method reveals how we make $128 per day with free traffic in just 30 minutes per day. Then it has the link, and this link This button here is where you put your affiliate link. So you want to attach your affiliate link there. Now, I'm not going to go through the entire process of setting up the website. That's beyond the scope of this exact training here. But what you want to do is create a website that looks something like this. Very, very basic website. You can create one on Wix.com or you can do Blogger.com. Me personally, I do WordPress. So what you want to do is add your affiliate link to here so that when someone comes to this page and clicks on this button, you get paid when they buy through this link. So once you have this page created, then you're pretty much ready to go. You've got your friends on Facebook, your internet marketing related friends. You've been engaging with them. You now have a web page that you can send them to that has your affiliate link on it. So the next thing that you're going to do is create a viral post. And people are going to ask you for information on that viral post. And when they do that, you're going to send them, private message them the link to your bridge page here, which has your affiliate link on that. So what do these viral posts look like? Well, if you take a look at your screen here now, you can see this is one that I did previously. It says, want to see 3 free traffic methods that each bring in $100 to $200 per day on autopilot. Comment info below. So people are commenting, asking for information about this. And I had 225 different comments on this one. People asking for info. So what you then do when people comment, you can see all these people comment, info. All these people are looking for information about this method. Oh, look, tons and tons and tons of people asking for information about this. That's what's going to happen when you when you have these internet marketing related friends and you have engagement with these internet marketing related friends. So all these people are commenting, asking for info. Then what you do is you're going to create a post saying, hey, thanks for commenting on my post. Here is some information on the free traffic method that I told you about on the post. Please check it out and let me know what you think about it. If you have any questions, please just let me know. So what you would do is you go through and you would private message all of these people, all of these friends that you currently have, telling them about it. And then also in the same post, you're going to give them the link to your bridge page so that when they buy from you, you get paid from this as well. Now, the good thing about the course that I told you about, my course, the Empire course, is that it's a recurring commission course. So not only do you get paid instantly when you make your sales, but you'll get paid every single month when you make a sale from this. So, but like I said, you can promote absolutely any course in absolutely any niche that you want to go into. This process that I've just taught you is the exact same in all niches that you choose to go into. Let me just show you one more of these viral posts. Okay, I'm just doing this on the fly now, so I'm just going to try and come across one of these viral posts that I've done. And so here's another one, didn't do too well. So he made $12,000 with free traffic, want the free training, comment free below. This one just got 26 comments, so it's still, you're looking at about 8 sales from that. About 26 comments would generally get you about 8 sales. And then you just do these posts every 2 days, every 3 days. You keep doing, you don't just do one and stop. You keep doing them, you keep adding friends, you keep building engagement, and you keep doing these posts. And then you keep private messaging the people that ask for information. Now, here's a little bonus tip when private messaging people. People will ask for information at various points throughout the day. The wrong way to do it is to wait until you go home at night and then comment on all of them at one time. That's the wrong way to do it. The best way to do it is to have the private message that you're going to be sent saved on your phone so that when someone comments info, you have a small window of opportunity where they're extremely interested about this method. So if you comment within the next 5 minutes after them asking for information, the chances of them getting the sale goes up dramatically. So if they ask for information, you get the notification on your phone, you copy and paste the private message in, the chances of you getting the sale goes up dramatically. So that's a little tip to increase your sales that you can get from this method. So guys, there you have it. That is this method in total. It's a very, very simple method and it works really, really well, even for the most novice of computer users. So make sure that you put it into action today. If you do have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below. And while you're on this video, you might want to check out one of these other videos. It's going to pop up somewhere on the screen here. So go ahead and check that video out next. Have a great day and I'll talk to you soon.